String handling in Java. String handling. String handling in Java. See, string. Observe, Dilpreet, a string is very important for our test automation. What is string? General term. What is string? Dilpreet.
It's a collection of words.
Collection. We are using the term collection. Okay. Collection of
characters.
Okay.
It's a data type, which is a collection of characters.
Collection of characters. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Written in double quotes.
Written in double quotes. Oh, Java syntax. Mamata, can you observe that one? In VB script also, string is there, na?
Yes, sir.
We use same double quotes in VB scripts strings also, na?
Yes, sir.
Here also double quotes. See, string.
Okay.
String is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. See, string. String is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. Written in double quotes. See, simple definition. String is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. Next, string may have alphabets or numbers or special characters. See, string may have alphabets, next numbers and special characters. Observe Virat example within double quotes. India, it is string. Next, 1 2 3, it is also string. Next, India 1 2 3, alphabets and numbers. Yes, it is string. Next, India star asterisk symbol, string. Next, India 1 2 3 star ampersand, string. Next, only special characters, string. Next, observe Ritesh, Selenium space testing. It is also string. Here 2 words. It is also string. Next, test automation using Selenium and Java. It is also string. Okay na? String examples, Raghu.
Yes, sir, I'm clear.
Okay.
String examples.
You just observe data types in computer programming. Data types.
Mhm.
Data types in computer programming, not only Java. Computer programming. See, general data versus computer data types. See, general data versus computer data types. See, general data numbers, next characters, next logical values, next strings. See, numbers. See how we cover numbers in Java. What are the supporting data types, Ritesh? Suppose numbers here we have two types. One
Integer.
is integer data types, another is floating point
Float.
values. Just a minute. Floating point values. Floating point, or you can say decimal values. Decimal values. Example 100. Example 1.234. How we cover integers in Java? We have some integer data types in Java na? Integer data types. Tell me, Ritesh.
It's a short, long, in
Byte, using
and
byte. Okay, memory only varies from one data type to another, integer data type to another, but purpose same. Byte, short,
short, int,
int. If it is long
long.
integer, long. All are integer data types only. Memory only varies from one data type to another. Byte, short, int, long. Suppose byte 8 bits, short 16 bit, int 32 bits, long 64 bits. Okay, we can cover integer type data using either byte or short or int or long. Okay, based on the size of integer. Next, floating point values. How we cover floating point values using Java data types? What are the supporting Java data types?
The
Double
float and double.
floats.
Float, next double, next characters. Dilpreet, how we cover single character?
It's a char type.
Char type, char type. See, observe here, single character means example A or small a or 1, a number also, or any symbol also, or single character. Okay. Next, how we cover logical values, Madhavi? Logical value means true or false. Otherwise, technical term is Boolean
Yeah.
or logical values. What is the supporting data type, Madhavi?
True or false, sir?
True or false values supporting data type in Java. Boolean. Boolean data type na.
Yes, sir.
Example here, true or false. Next, strings. Observe Ritesh. How we cover strings?
Sir, just with this, like strings with the array.
Just a minute. Pardon?
String with an array.
Don't
And
confuse.
just
Don't
moving
mix the
the
concept. Array is different, string is different. Don't mix. Don't mix the concepts. Okay.
Use string.
String object. We have no data type for covering strings. See, using string object. Observe Mamata. We cover numbers using integer and float double data types. We cover characters using char data type. See, this is data type, char data type. Next, we can cover logical values using Boolean data type. See here, numbers. Numbers we can cover using integer and observe integer and
Float, double.
float
Floating.
double.
Float and float and double.
Recollect, Dilpreet, any common word is there for float and double? Primitive data type.
Relational data type
Relational data types. Relational.
for float and double.
Okay. Float and double. Integer and float. Integer, float and double. Data types. Data types. Say we have different forms of data in real world. We can cover numbers using integer data types, float and double. Next, character type, characters we can cover using char data type. Next, logical values we can cover with Boolean data type. But string type data we have to use string object. Any confusion, Ritesh?
Character is in single quote, right?
Pardon?
Character data type in single quote.
Single quote, okay. Single, where is, here, I didn't use that one. Just general example I provided. Single quote, that is Java syntax. Observe, any confusion?
no, sir.
Say, observe Raghu, we covered all types of data that we use in real world now.
Yes.
See, maximum types. Observe the integer type. Observe the data. 1, 2, 3. What type of data?
Integer.
Just a minute. Integer type. Next, 1.234. This is
Yes.
decimal type. Number only, but decimal. Number only. Both are comes under numbers. Next, suppose A. I am not following Java syntax. Generic types.
Okay.
This is
It's a character.
character. Just a minute. Character. Next, true or false.
Boolean.
Boolean is Java, that is computer programming terminology. Logical.
Okay. Logical operators. Yeah.
Logical value.
Okay.
Logical value. Next, string. Just a minute. Example. Na? This is string. See, we use maximum, not maximum, complete sense. See, these 5 types: integer, decimal points, character, single character. Next, true or false like logical. Next, this one. Next, one more also there that we use in three-way comparison. If it is two-way comparison, true or false. If it is three-way comparison, we use constant based result, that is 0. If it is equal, that anyhow that I will explain later. See, in computer programming, comparison 2 types: two-way comparison, three-way comparison. Two-way comparison means true or false. Three-way comparison means less than, greater than, equal to. Getting this point, Dilpreet? Two-way comparison, three-way comparison.
Yes, sir.
What is two-way comparison? True or false? Suppose, do you have 100? Yes or no? Suppose three-way comparison. Some more clarity. Do you have 100? Yes. Yes means equal to. No. No means not equal to. That is two-way comparison. If it is three-way comparison, do you have 100? Yes. Equal to. I have more than 100. Greater than. I have less than 100. I have something, but not 100. I have less than 100. I have greater than 100. I have 100. See, equal to, greater than, less than. If it is two-way comparison, I have 100. I have yes or no. Getting this point, Virat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na Supriya? Two-way comparison, three-way comparison. Which one is more clear? Which one is having more clarity? Two-way comparison or three-way comparison?
Three-way comparison.
Yes, three-way comparison. Okay, anyhow, that I will explain later. First, you bound to this one only. Do you have any other data types? Other type of data, general data? Raghu, we can cover.
No, we covered all the data types.
All the data. Okay. Next, creating strings. Creating strings. Data types we already discussed. Strings. If you cover strings, then we will cover. We can cover all real world data. See, creating strings. Creating strings. Say, string my tool string. Observe Ritesh. What is string here?
My tool.
No. Observe that tooltip. String
Oh,
is
class.
predefined class na.
Yes, sir.
Predefined. Say string is object in Java. Okay. Observe this one. String is in string class. We are creating this object. See, string is class. What is this lang? Madhavi, lang. Observe this one. Can you view this one? Java.lang.string.
Yes, sir.
What is string?
String is a class.
Predefined class. What is lang? Lang.
Uh, object name. Package.
Package. Java package. What is Java?
Language.
Project.
Project. See, predefined. Java is project. Lang is package. String is class. Observe in our scenario also. What is our class name?
Java loops.
Java loop. Under, what is the package name?
My tool.
My tool. Package name.
Java examples.
Java
Java
example.
example.
Project name?
Selenium test.
Selenium test. See, this is the hierarchy. Java programming hierarchy. All of you put mute. Project, package, class, or interface. That is another one that we will discuss later. String, string name, string name, my tools, or you can use XYZ also. Equal to, for example, Selenium, semicolon. This is string variable. Using string class, we are creating string variable. You can use this my tool as variable. This is string variable. Next, string my tools. For example, this one square brackets equal to assign values directly within double quotes. Selenium unified functional testing. Next, a rational functional tester from IBM. Next, Silk test from Micro Focus. All these are functional and regression test tools. Close curly braces, semicolon. What is this one? Array of strings. Array of strings. The second one, we are using string as array. First one, string as variable. Any confusion, Ritesh?
No, sir. Got it.
You can display. Suppose display this string variable. Display the string variable. SYSO control space enters short form my tool. Then it will display Selenium. Next, Saloni. Saloni, are you there? Display that my tools array print my tools array. Printing variable is simple, just system.out.println of variable, println of variable semicolon. Print array, that string array, my tools. Enhanced for loop required. You continue. Dilpreet.
So
For
string
string type na. Okay, string.
tools
Okay, you take any variable. Suppose tool colon
my tools
array my tools open
curly
curly
braces
braces. Next
system.out
system.out.println of
tool
tool. Yeah, avoid the confusion. All are tools na. Suppose ABC. Say run the program. Here first it will print array. String variable, that is just Selenium. Otherwise I will change this one. Just a minute. Suppose load runner. Then it will print first load runner string variable. Then all elements of my tools are a Selenium, UFT, RFT, silk test. Run. Observe Saloni. Are you following any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. How to display all elements of an array using enhanced for loop? Just a minute. Creating strings. String variable, array of strings. Next, operations on strings. Operations on strings. Operations on strings. Observe Suleiman. Operations on strings. Say concatenating strings. Concatenating strings. Concatenating strings. Next, string comparison. String comparison. Say, I will explain these two operations. These are important operations for our test automation. Remaining important operations we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. In built-in methods chapter, I will explain string methods, methods on strings, methods on arrays, methods on characters, methods on numbers, etc. See, in this chapter I will cover important operations. Concatenating strings, next string comparison. First one, concatenating strings. Concatenating strings. See how to concatenate. See, string, suppose str1 equal to string str1 equal to Selenium. Next, string str2 equal to UFT. An extra Next, I want to concatenate these two strings. Observe Saloni. Concatenate these two strings. We have concatenation operator also now. Dilpreet, concatenation operator. Using concatenation operator, you concatenate these two strings. str1.
Just
What is the
plus.
concatenation operator?
Plus.
Plus
String 2.
str2. Then what will be the output?
Selenium UFT.
Selenium UFT. Selenium UFT. Suppose if you want space, here you can use space. Otherwise, after first string, you can use space, or before second string, you can use space. Then Selenium UFT. Next, otherwise, using, just a minute. String is object now. String is object now, Ritesh. str1 dot, here available methods. str1 dot, type C, select concatenate, concat, string 2. What is the output, Supriya? Supriya, what is the output?
Same. Selenium UFT.
Yes, same. First we used concatenation operator. Next time
Then we are using method.
concat method. Selenium UFT. Next, observe Madhumati. You can directly concatenate. Without taking into string, you can directly concatenate. String 1 plus string 2. Same output. Selenium space UFT. We used space after first string. UFT. Next, string Selenium plus 1 plus 1. What is the output, Raghu? Selenium. See, somebody is making noise.
UFT.
Avoid that one. I think. Continue, Raghu. What is the
Selenium
output?
UFT.
Last.
Selenium UFT.
Where is UFT? Last statement output. Selenium plus 1 plus 1.
Yeah.
What is the output?
Selenium 2.
Selenium.
Selenium 1
Who is telling?
Supriya.
Yes, Selenium 1. I will explain. Selenium 1. Next, one plus Saloni. 1 plus Selenium Saloni. What is the output?
1 selenium.
No. 2 Selenium. 1 plus 1, 2 na?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. I will explain. Run the program. Observe Selenium UFT, Selenium 1, 2 Selenium. 2 Selenium.
Yeah, I have a question, sir.
Just a minute. After providing explanation, you can ask question. Say, string. Who is asking?
Yes, Saloni.
Okay, just wait 1 minute, Saloni. String plus string, then operation is concatenation. Concatenation. Next, string plus integer or number. Concatenation only. Concatenation. Next, integer plus integer. Integer plus integer. Addition. Addition. Observe. Suppose you take this one. What is the output with Selenium 1.1? See, in computer programming operations, computer program evaluates operators from left to right. That is general rule. Priority procedure, that is different. General rule is evaluating operators from left to right. First, here how many values, Saloni? 3 values na. One is Selenium, next 1, next 1. First, it takes this one. Selenium plus 1. Selenium is string, 1 is integer. String plus integer concatenation only. Means Selenium 1 after first attempt, first operation, Selenium 1. Next, Selenium 1 plus 1. Selenium 1 is string, 1 is integer. So, string plus integer, concatenation only. Then, Selenium 1. You take another one. 1 plus 1 plus Selenium. Here, evaluation from left to right. First operation. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus Selenium. 2 plus Selenium. Observe. 2 is integer. Observe the first one. 1 plus 1. 1 is integer. 1 is integer. So 1 plus 1, 2. In second one, 2 plus Selenium. 2 is integer. Selenium is string. Concatenation. 2 Selenium. Now ask me, Saloni, what is your query?
Sir, I got my answer.
Okay, cool. Observe Mamata. Any confusion?
No, sir, I'm clear.
Okay. See. Next, important one. Last example for the day. Just last 3 minutes. String comparison. String comparison. String comparison. Say in computer programming we have 2 types of comparison. Say we have two types of comparison. comparison in computer programming, not only in Java. One is two-way comparison. Two-way comparison means true or false. True or false. Another is three-way comparison. Three-way comparison. Three-way comparison means equal to, next greater than, next less than. Three-way comparison. See result criteria for three-way comparison. Result criteria. See in VB script, equal to means 0, greater than 1, less than means -1. But in Java, some different. Observe. If string 1 equal to string 2, then result is 0. 0. Next, just a minute. If string 1 greater than string 2, then positive value means greater than 0. Positive value means greater than 0. Greater than 0. Next, if string 1 less than string 2, then negative value. Negative value means less than 0. Less than 0. Positive value greater than 0. Okay, now come to mainstream. Say in three ways we can compare strings. Three ways. First one, string comparison. String comparison using a relational operator. A relational operator. What is relational operator? Double equal to. If single equal to, that is assignment operator. Double equal to relational operator. This relational operator supports two-way comparison. Next, another way, another possibility, string comparison. String comparison using equals method. String method. Methods on string. Equals. This is method symbol. Equals method. This is also supports two-way comparison. Next, string comparison. String comparison using compareTo method. All of you put mute. compareTo method. It supports three-way comparison. I will show example. Supports three-way comparison. Example. Say I'm taking two strings. Observe. Say string str1 equal to string str1 equal to Selenium. So I used capital letters, uppercase values. Next, string str2 equal to small letters, Selenium. Next, string str3 equal to capital letters. Next, string str4 equal to suppose Z Selenium. See first example, string comparison using relational operator. See SYSO control space enter str1 double equal to str2. Tell me Dilpreet, what is the output? String 1 equal to string 2. What is the output? True or false? Observe. Relational operator supports two-way comparison only.
False, sir.
False. Why? String 1 uppercase, string 2 lowercase. Java is case sensitive, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's why false. Next, just a minute. String 1 equal to string 3. True or false? Continue, Madhavi.
True.
True. Next, use that method, equals method. str1 dot type E, select equals str2. What is the output, Ritesh?
False.
False. Next, suppose str1 equals str3. True. Next, come just a minute. String comparison using equals method. Next, third one, string comparison using compareTo method. This is three-way comparison. Observe Raghu. String 1 dot string 1 dot string 2 string 1 dot compareTo of string 2 semicolon. What is the output? Raghu.
It's false.
Here now true or false concept. Three-way comparison. Compare2 method supports three-way comparison. Result criteria
Okay.
also explained. Result criteria also explained. Concentrate.
Can you show us? Yeah. Okay. It's nothing positive.
Positive value.
Yes.
Just a minute. String 1 greater. Positive value. You are telling positive value. String 1 is greater. What is string 1? Capital Selenium. String
Capital
2
Selenium.
small Selenium. Which one is
Small
greater?
Selenium.
Capital letters or small letters?
Capital letters.
No. Come to the another case study.
Uh-huh.
ASCII values. See, string comparison based on ASCII values.
Okay.
ANSI character codes. Just a minute. American National Standards Institution. ANSI character codes.
Okay.
Just a minute. Character codes. These ANSI codes not only for Java, for all computer programming languages, for
Yes.
entire computer environment. Just a minute. If it is capital A to Z, capital A to Z, ASCII range is 65 to 90, 26 letters. Next, if it is small a to Z, small a to small z, 97 to, these are standard, fixed, 122.
Okay.
Next,
Okay.
0 to 9, 48. You need to remember these ranges. 57. Now tell me,
Okay.
capital S ASCII value is bigger or small s ASCII value is bigger?
Small ASCII values are bigger.
So and one more thing, how computer program compares two strings. First it takes first letters from two strings.
Okay.
First letters.
Yeah.
Suppose if first letters are same, then it will go to second letters. Second letters also same, third letter. Like that.
Okay.
Otherwise, suppose first letter in first string is bigger, then it declares first string is bigger. Suppose first letter in second string is bigger, then it declares second string is bigger. Suppose first letters from both the strings are same, then it will go to second string, second character, second letter.
Okay.
Suppose second letters also same, third letters also same, fourth letter. Suppose all are same, then it will show 0.
Equal. Yeah.
Now you take this one, string 1, first letter capital S, second letter
yes, small s.
Small s.
So
then,
yes. String 2 is bigger than string 1.
String 1. String 2 is bigger than string 1. Then what is the result criteria?
It's a negative.
Negative value.
Negative value.
Means less than 0. That value depends on compiler, less than 0. Negative value.
Okay.
Negative value. Or you can say less than 0. See, observe.
Okay.
I will execute last output only. Just add block comment. Run the program. Run the program. Where is the problem? Compare2.
String 2, we need to add another bracket.
Okay. Yes. Run the program. See, less than 0 na? Observe, Raghu.
Yes. Yes.
Less than 0. Just a minute. Suppose string 1, first letter small letter.
Okay.
String 2, first letter capital, remaining small letters. And now tell me what is the output?
It's positive.
Positive value. See, positive
Plus 32.
value. Suppose, observe, string 1, string 3. Both are same na?
Yes, both are same.
Run
It's 0 then.
0. Okay
Yeah.
na?
Yes.
See, suppose string 1, string 2. Next, string 1, for example, string 3. String 1, string 3. String 1 dot compare to string 3.
Yes.
Same na? 0.
0.
0. Next, suppose string 1, otherwise string 4. Take string 4, string 2.
String 4, string 2. Okay.
Okay. I changed this one now. Okay. Say here Selenium small letters, but at beginning Z is there. Z is
Okay.
small z. See, ASCII value 122. Just a minute. String 4. Next, string 2. String 4 is bigger or string 2 is bigger?
String 4 is bigger.
String 4 is bigger.
Yes.
See, positive value.
Positive. Yes.
Means greater than 0. Greater than 0. Just uncomment. Uncomment. See, source, remove block comment. Run the complete program. See, first 2, false true. Relational operator. Next, false true. Equals method. Next, negative value, 0, positive value. Compare to method. Compare to method. See, this is about string concatenation. Just a minute.
Okay.
See, I'm closing the session. Any queries, Dilpreet? Any queries regarding today's topic, loops, Java, loop structures and string handling in Java? Any queries, Dilpreet?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, it's clear.
Welcome. Madhavi? Madhavi?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Madhumati?
Yeah, no, sir, I'm okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
cool. Mamata?
No, sir, I'm clear.
Raghu?
Yes, sir. I'm good with the today's class.
Okay, cool. Ritesh? Okay.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Saloni getting problem. Saloni? Suleiman?
Yeah, it's clear. Thank you.
Welcome. Supriya?
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Virat?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Venkat? Venkat mic problem, na? Venkat? Any queries? Okay. See, after reading the notes or after watching the recorded session, if you have any queries, mail me. I will provide the solutions. Okay. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.